Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to teach you how to crochet granny square, a classic pattern that's perfect for beginners. First, let's gather our materials: a crochet hook, some yarn, and a granny square pattern. We recommend using a size 8 crochet hook for this project. Now, let's get started. Begin by chaining 6 stitches. Next, you'll work to double crochet stitches into the first chain. Continue around the chain, making to double crochet stitches into each chain. Once you've completed the first round, you'll move on to the second round. Chain 2, then work to double crochet stitches into the top of the first double crochet stitch. Continue around the square, making to double crochet stitches into each stitch. And there you have it, a beautiful granny square, perfect for a blanket, scarf, or any other project you have in mind. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crochet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!